So today I'm grafting some tomatoes, and this process is taking a rootstock from a really vigorous wild Mexican tomato and putting on top a scion, it's called, the top plant from a really good beefsteak tomato that doesn't have as vigorous roots. Greenhouse tomatoes sometimes have root diseases and things like that, so it's good to have a really vigorous root. What I do is I take one of these from here, I cut the top off on an angle, put this clip on, you cut it on the angle so you have more surface area for the plants to meet each other. Cut the top off, trim a leaf off, slide this together. I'm looking for a really tight connection with no air space, really everything perfectly tight together. And it goes in here. I keep them sprayed while I'm doing it because it's a tough life. I just cut the top off one plant and put it on another. There's no connection right now. But these plants will heal. We put them up here in the dark for 3 days. It's very important that it be pretty dark and really humid and about 75. These have been up here since Saturday, and 3 days they don't really photosynthesize because they're in the dark, and they just get a chance to heal the graft. And then after that, we put them down here. This is sort of gentle light, sort of just partial light, not very bright. Give them a day in here, keep the dome on them, keep them humid, and then by tomorrow they'll be ready to go either outside in the greenhouse or under really good light. And then in a month, by middle of March, we'll transplant them in the greenhouse. They'll be this tall, and they'll have flowers on them, and we'll be picking tomatoes by the middle of May.